Hello children, welcome back to our maths class. In this video, I am just explaining about the answers. It is already posted in the Google Classroom. But many of you, I think you have some doubts. That is in one class I did discuss in detail. So maybe some children may miss it. That is why I am explaining those answers again. Just listen it, okay? First, question number 5. See, look at the question. The length of a rectangular garden is 6 meter less than its length. Breadth of a rectangular garden is 6 meter less than its length. If the length of the garden is 30 meter, find the perimeter of the garden. So, regarding breadth, there is a point is given. That is, length is equal to 30 meter. Breadth is equal to 6 meter less than its length. So we can write 6 meter less than length means length minus 6. Length is already given in the question. Length of the field is 30 meters. So it is 30 meter. So length minus 6, which means 30 minus 6. 24 meter is the breadth. Okay. Now we have to find out the perimeter of the garden. So for finding the perimeter, we have the formula twice of length plus breadth. Okay. So 2 into 30 plus 24. You can see 30 plus 24 means it is 54. 4 then 3 plus 2 5 54. So 54 into 2 108. Okay, 2 times. So we got the perimeter is equal to 108 meters. Okay. It is already discussed, but at that time many of you told you didn't understand. That is why I am explaining this essay. I told you at that time I will make it as video and send. Okay, that is why like this I am making. Okay. Next, length of a square field is 35 meter. What distance will a man walk in going around it 3 times? So length is given as 35 meter. Then that person want to walk around thrice, 3 times that field or 3 times that square plot. So first of all, by finding the perimeter, what we will get actually? For one round, how many distance he has to walk? That we will get first. So actually that is the perimeter of the garden or perimeter of the square field. So perimeter is equal to, that means distance to walk one round. 4 times into side. Side is given as 35 meters. So 4 into 35, which is equal to 140 meters. Now that person want to walk through that ground 3 times, which means 3 into 140. Okay. So it is equal to 3 into 140 means 140 into 3. When we are multiplying, we will get 420. So 420 meter is the distance, the total distance he has to walk. When he walking through 3 times, he walked around that ground 3 times, he has to walk 420 meters. Okay. Next one. Sonu bought a tablecloth 2.25 meter long and 1.75 meter wide. She wanted to put lace around it. How many meters of lace would she has to buy? She have to buy. And also find how much would the lace cost if it cost 14.50 per meter. 14.50 means 14 and a half. Okay, per meter 14 and a half rupees. Now we have to find out it like this. Length 2.25 meter. Breadth 1.75 meter. Length of the lace to buy. She has to buy lace for that. So we have to find out. What we have to find out? The perimeter. So perimeter is equal to twice into length plus breadth. Length and breadth is given as decimals. So decimal addition we have to do here. Direct addition only. There is no much problem. That is why directly we are adding 5 plus 5 0. 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 remainder, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus that remainder 1 plus adding we will get it is 4. 4.00. 4.00 means it is 4 only. Okay. So 2 into 4. 2 into 4 means 8 meters. So length of the lace to buy is equal to 8 meters. Okay. Next, he want to buy that 8 meter of cloth. Amount for 8 meter cloth. 8 meter cloth she has to buy, and for 1 meter of cloth 14.5 rupees. So if it is so, for 14 and for 8 meters of cloth, how much money she has to pay? That is what we have to do without considering the decimal. I have told you in the class, without considering the decimal, directly you multiply. Okay, 5 8s are 40, 4 8s are, that 0 you neglect, no problem. So 4 8s are 32 plus 4, 16, 1 remainder, 1 plus 1 8s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, so 116. So 116 rupees she has to pay for getting that 8 meters of cloth. Okay. Next one. Akash covers a distance of 48 meter while going around a square field twice. Find the side of the square. How much wire will be needed for fencing around it once? Also, find the cost of one wire. Cost of wire if 1 meters of cost 1.75 rupees. That is the question. So it is given that in the question it is given Akash covers a distance of 48 meter while going around a square field twice. Square field twice. That means 2 times he walked through the square field. So he got the perimeter, total distance what 24. So the perimeter we have to find out. Not the, in the question it is given when he walked 2 times the square field. 2 times the square field. So twice of the perimeter is actually 48. Okay. So perimeter is equal to 48 by 2. So it is 24. Now perimeter is equal to 24 is given. We have to find out the length of side. Length of side, how will we find? 4 into side. 4 into side. We don't know the value of side. So when we are multiplying 4 with some value, we have to get 24. That is 24 by 4. It is equal to 6 meters. Now we got side is equal to 6 meters. Now we have to find the cost of the wire. If 1 meter costs to 1.75 rupees. 1 meter costs to 1.75 rupees. So the length of the wire needed. First we have to find out how many length. It is already given because the perimeter is 24 meter. That is why length is perimeter is already given means we can find that will be the length of wire. Now cost of fencing means that 24 into 1.75. Here also you multiply directly without considering the decimal. Then finally you put the decimal point. 175 into 24. 5 4s are 20. 7 4s are 28 plus 2. Again 2 remainder. 3 remainder. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 7 2s are 9 plus 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1. 15, 1 remainder, 1 2s are 2 plus 1, 3. Then while adding, we will get it is 4,200. But in the question, there is 2 decimals. So in the answer also, there must be 2 decimal point. 1, 2. Put a point. So 42 rupees. So for cost of fencing is actually 42 rupees. Okay. So that also we have to find out. We already found this. So this 4 question you just study thoroughly, and this I just told you for those people who did not understand that, for them I have explained this. Okay. So next one we are moving on to the next topic, that is area. Area means, first of all, in the perimeter section I told you the total or the distance around a plane figure is called what? Perimeter, distance around. That means from here to here, here to here, here to here. The total distance is actually what? Perimeter. Okay. And next point, area. The amount of surface enclosed within the boundary of a figure. Here you can see the shaded region. That shaded region is the area of this triangle. And this is the area. That means this shaded region is the area of the square. And this shaded region is the area of the rectangle. And this shaded region is the area of the circle. Okay. So actually what the amount of surface enclosed within the boundary. Boundary agathula space. That is what actually area. Okay. The standard unit are generally used for measuring areas are square meters, square centimeters. That we will see. Area of a square of 1 centimeter long is 1 square centimeter. See, I'll just show you one figure here. Suppose if I'm having a square with one, see, this is small square, 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter, and here also 1 centimeter. So its total area will be 1 centimeter square. Its area will be 1 centimeter square. Okay. So its area will be 1 centimeter square. Okay. So the area of square of side 1 centimeter long is 1 square centimeter. Okay. So if the area of a square with a side 1 meter will be 1 square meter, like that. Okay. So we will write this as 1 centimeter square or 1 square centimeter. 1 centimeter square or 1 square centimeter. Like this we can represent. Okay children.